From the quiet ripples of a mountain stream to the thunderous roar of a waterfall, water is nature's sculptor, life-bringer, and eternal traveler. In this journey, we explore the breathtaking beauty and deep importance of rivers, lakes, and waterfalls, the veins of our living earth. Rivers begin as small springs, born from rainfall and melting snow. As they travel downhill, they gather strength, carving deep canyons, shaping valleys, and nourishing everything in their path. Rivers are more than flowing water, they're lifelines. Fish, birds, mammals, and even forests depend on their steady flow. They connect ecosystems and carry vital nutrients across the land. Lakes are mirrors of the sky, still, vast, and full of life. Formed by glaciers, tectonic shifts, or ancient rivers, lakes store water and provide a sanctuary for countless species. Beneath the surface, life thrives, from tiny plankton to large freshwater fish. Around the shores, reeds, frogs, and birds create a vibrant community, all held together by the presence of water. Where rivers meet cliffs, nature creates one of its most dramatic spectacles, waterfalls. These natural wonders are symbols of raw energy, beauty, and change. Waterfalls remind us that even the gentlest element can shape stone. Over time, they sculpt gorges and valleys, carving paths through even the hardest rock, a reminder of water's quiet strength. Water is the heartbeat of our planet. It moves in a grand cycle, falling as rain, flowing as rivers, resting in lakes, then rising once more into the sky. This cycle sustains every living thing, from the tiniest seed to the tallest tree, from insects to elephants, and from ancient forests to bustling cities. Wherever water flows, life follows. Rivers, lakes, and waterfalls are not just features of the landscape. They are expressions of life, movement, and connection. To protect them is to protect ourselves. Thank you for joining us on this journey through water's power and beauty. Until next time, stay curious and stay connected to the natural world.